Alright, God. If I me do the underpants, try it me.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So I will be doing a prank on Steven. So me just go wash and me a baby baby. Well, me not still wear up yet because me I start out the clothes then me just put down or in the water. So anyways, me when me I start out the clothes them, she a do it in the water. So me take up one of Steven underpants now. When I say him never want put on in the back all long, so I go throw it away because he don't want it. So now me take it up and go throw it away, but Bianca do it in the water, I never know. So me take a roach, she nearly shit for me. So me put the underpants under it and it drop on it. Anyways, me do what I do with her underpants, put on there. I say never that shit now. So I just come up. So me ready. If you prank him with the underpants, him shit up himself and him too nasty. So if the prank you lit, more in the comment Team Shade for the one ya. Go follow us on our Instagram at Steven X Shade and Shade X Steven. The first one they on the live. 3 live not get to go up. I don't remember on the name for give you a shout out. So just comment down below when the video post, please. So I'm gonna show you the picture. And then I'm gonna get right into the video. And then go finish wash. So underpants all, so that's why I don't want it, but see there. Just pick up a prank idea. Open you can see it. Right there, so the shit there. So I'm gonna get into the video. So just stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna start the video now. So I'm gonna sit down on the bed in the room there. So I'm gonna call him and start cussing about him. So me make sure I put the baby in her bed. Bed and put her bed. So a time to start the drama. Remember to come in Team Shade if this lit. Steven! Steven!
Yes, sir.
Come sit down here, sir.
What's that way?
Sit down here, sir. Sit down here, sir.
I get that light, brother.
Sit down here, sir, and somewhat.
Sit down yourself, watch it. You may say something stop.
I want to make you feel so you're clean and nasty like how you don't go and like say your business but with more than your underpants. Because so nasty for one big man.
You there?
Why you nasty bad?
Where is it going?
You know wash no more clothes here, no?
What happened?
Say that look on me, sir. You know if you go look on say shit in your underpants.
Shit never on the pants. Shit never on the
Why
pants.
me I tell you?
Shit never on the pants. What kind of...
Let me show you a picture of me all have to dash you away sick to muck. Me all have to put it on the line with 2 close pin and take a picture. You nasty bad. Look here.
Hey, let me
Let
tell
me
you
show you a
this.
picture, man. Wait, man.
Let me tell you this.
No, take a seat. Me want to school
Hey.
Just sit down.
Look at me, boy.
Watch your Steven.
Alright. Who the underpants there? Who the underpants
You
there?
know, say you put on your underpants all and you don't want it back. Eh?
So who the underpants
So
there?
because you're shit in your underpants, you put it on. Put it on for me wash it because me can't dash your clothes. So.
Who shit in the underpants?
Eh?
Who shit in the underpants?
Why you shit in your underpants? A baby alone supposed to do that. You don't wear diapers,
Yo.
Steven.
Yo,
You wear pampers?
no, you tell me, say. Shay, who shit in the underpants?
You really have to laugh. Look on this. Who friends some like you?
Who shit in the
Big
underpants?
man like you shit in your underpants.
Yo.
Watch this. If you see one and underpants full of shit stain, I think I throw out upon the
Shut-
back here, so
shut there.
you see the something.
Saturday.
Why and
Shut there.
it think that's why I bag the smell so. All I put on this TV.
Yeah, stop play me now. Don't. I did your call me for Brian Counting Book.
And that's why I want Queen Bianca
Bo-
shit.
bo-
Kind of you're afraid for Kim for you. So how you shit up yourself, Steven? Tell me.
Yo,
No, Steven, me have to really laugh.
what is it for? Look at me.
No, me have to really laugh.
So you really see?
Me have to
So
really
hold on,
laugh.
I ask you a question.
Me say when me see
Well,
you know, me I say,
before me get dark
Me
and
say
ignorant
what
on your side, you really think they miss me?
Steven, sit
No,
down.
because
Then sit down now.
me and I sit down and I'm talking. Before me get dark and ignorant on you, you really think them shit
Steven,
Let-
sit down.
Hey,
No,
don't
say I must have look at discipline, man.
cause nobody do that for me.
So I wish for you
Don't
to want
because
shit and the shit of your underpants and dash in your bag, so.
Tell it, that plan would joke with him. I laugh with people, man. I laugh with people, man.
Yo, listen.
And then if you
Listen
talk
to
about
me,
brother.
listen to me, Steven. You're too nasty
Nigga,
for
how
a
you, brother?
big man.
Who you
Big
talk to?
man. No, sir, me have to really laugh.
Man, you shit up, man.
Me wear the underpants there.
Where about it?
Me wear that.
Right, man, you shit up.
Me shit up on my back with it.
I mean,
Me wear my back with
I
it.
mean.
Me say, I be able me the belly now me the sort out because the man this big old shit greet me.
You go on, man. Hey, you have to man.
That's why you ask so.
So you sit down. I had tell me say.
After me say me I go wash you know and make we do it challenge. And you're gonna you just stir.
Where you go to challenge?
No
Where
sir.
you go to challenge?
Be a shit in your
No, not
underpants.
video.
I
Video
don't
talk.
care
No, not video.
You have no more underpants and shit
No,
you know.
no video.
Me now wash no more clothes for you.
Yeah, let's go.
Wash out the underpants them. Nasty too much man.
Alright. I joke my window.
Really?
We are David.
Steven.
We are David, but
Steven, you shit in your underpants, you must listen and
Yeah.
understand that you're not shit in your
see I
underpants.
come to church.
You top far shit in your underpants. You're a big man, you know, you're so nasty. Big old man like you. So tell me what really happened with the underpants, Steven. No joke. What really happened with the underpants? Tell me, I'm not going to tell nobody. I'm not going to laugh off you because I don't see it.
You may see the shit and use your hand and use the underpants and the body.
Say God no.
God know you're bright. You say me shit in the underpants, you're bright.
You're lying, man.
God know you shit up in that.
Steven, man,
Oh.
God strike you.
And you shit up in that
Man, God
and you may
strike
see
you.
the shit around the sun and use your body. You.
You say, you look at what you lie, see, man.
So,
That means you have more than one time you shit in your underpants them. More than one time.
who should know today?
Why?
Take me that
When
joke,
say
Jamaica,
I'm free.
and don't get me to you.
Steven, take it with that on my face. Me can't believe you shit in your
Hey.
underpants. Ah, Tita. How far bathroom there?
Listen, I'm missing a man from.
Me not wash my clothes, man.
Well, no, I'm after. Listen, I'm missing a man from.
You know when you must shit up, man. Ah, Tita.
Mine, you know.
All if you couldn't make it to the
See, I tell you
bathroom, you
before
don't see
that-
bush. Your feet tap nasty, tap nasty. Tap nasty. And then you come to, so you go lick me for your throat. Your feet tap nasty. Why
It's true, it's not.
mine are going with this, you know?
I'm here to that, brother. Yeah, I go. We say it's not.
Steven, these are
Me
hard.
say it's not a pants.
Tap, hey, tap, these are hard.
Let me fight to that, brother. Don't have a pants, boy. Oh, yeah.
Stop. My friend, some of you.
Tell you go baby. Hey.
Imagine you shit in the underpants and put it down for me, wash how you so bright.
Sorry, don't get my man.
You're bright, bad.
Tell me something, okay, when I get my man.
Joke what? Big
Joke.
boy like how you shit in the underpants and they chat about joke. And they come chat about me. Me a free look when you laugh when you see me. Ever see me shit up my clothes them yet? Me a say me wash it.
I never see you shit up your clothes, but you always see me shit up my clothes.
Steven, I must chew me shorter than you. But me...
You will never say shit up your clothes, but you always see me shit up my clothes.
Nah.
Eh?
Listen to me,
So,
Steven. For
look,
true,
no,
true, true.
look on my face. Me look like Bianca. Well, this me I say. Me look like Bianca.
Just hear me I say. And me get serious now. You see,
Serious now.
me not play with you. You feel the shit in your clothes.
Say.
And they come put it, you know, so bad, you know, and shit in your clothes, but I put it on for me wash. Oh, you're so bright.
So you God. If I make do the underpants, try me. If I make do in the underpants,
How shit in there, Steven?
try me.
Who shit in there?
Alright.
Boy, you're nasty.
Are you?
guy.
Me see you. Are you right there so?
You see me?
Oh, you mean then the women come up
How far back you
women
go,
come
Steven?
from my father's shop. When I say the underpants here,
Oh, how me do it? How me do it? How me do it?
me see they go like corner and you do it, but me don't know why you.
How me bend down and do
Me
this,
don't know what
Steven?
you do. Me don't know what you do. Me that
How
part.
me bend down and do though?
That part in my father's
So how
shop.
you don't know me do? When people are shit, how they say?
Me don't. Me if you know you said.
A lie. You're a liar. Liar Bianca. And Bianca say shit, but you
You
can't
didn't know
stop.
you share them. Me see it. Me see it. Me see it.
You too not.
But me remember where you do if you just come so. I see you come. See you come. I see you when you sit down. I see you when you sit down and you look.
So I saw you sit down. I saw you sit down.
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
I saw you sit down in your underpants
So you
and
take me
shit.
for fool now.
You sit down in your underpants and shit. Shit up yourself to one big old boy.
Better make it
You
talk
say
it true.
underpants stink like a
Better
dog
make it
or
talk
fly
it
they
true.
fall
Better make
like.
it talk it true.
Like who
Better
talk
make it
to?
talk it true. Say you should have said.
Yo. Behave.
Better make it talk it true. Say you should have said.
Behave.
Better make it.
Behave na youth.
Better
Me
make.
not ramping with you in the car. Big boy like you're too nasty youth. You're too nasty man. Wash your underpants, you want to take them off. Imagine you put on your old underpants in a state, don't want it. You go shit in it and left in your bag for me wash. You know the shit they stink also after they fall like.
So me are really shitting on your pants to put in my clothes then.
Oh, boy.
My clothes in my regular work.
See them, listen to me. You
No,
don't say,
I
let
am
me talk to you.
asking you.
Let me talk
I
to you
am
now.
asking you a question.
Let me
But
care for the Lord.
you need an answer.
Everywhere people man say nasty.
you don't like people. Me.
Man, you like me like that. I am underpants and people don't like. Yeah, bro.
One more chicken.
So we are wrestling me for shit in your underpants. So what this man? See ready for my
Who's none
bill.
Who's none of
You like say junk or something, you know, boy. And when the junk just shit in there,
No, me serious. Me not
that's
laugh
it
with
when
people
the
and
junk
them
just
throw
shit in
them.
your underpants.
Daddy.
One mess, something
Daddy.
just spit in your face.
Daddy,
Get off of me. Call love ram.
daddy, who's none of them?
Are you Mr. Steven?
Until you can tell me.
Yeah! Get up now!
Who's none of
Me
them?
back at me, you know, get up now.
Who's
Take
none
your
of
ram, son.
Let's get back out of them.
So I'm tell like youth.
Who's none of them?
And me are you.
What? Me and you? Me and you?
You see, I
Who do it?
Chop! Chop!
Who do it?
I'm cuss bad one, you know.
Oh, what's about doing?
Get off of me,
Who do
Steven.
it?
You can't shit in your underpants as one big boy and they come with young people for tell like
So you're really dead? Dead? I don't
big
know what
old
them.
man like a you,
I
man.
don't know what. So you're really dead?
You want me tell like they see how hold me down.
Right. Me shit none of them.
You know so a long time I see shit in your underpants already?
One long time.
Yeah. Too nasty, man. Me spirit grief for you.
So
Chat to me,
so
man.
you're
Chat to
telling
your
that.
underpants and go bunny. Don't lick me. You're too nasty.
You don't have to teach, right? You don't have to like palm girl.
We ain't tired to the laugh. You boy nasty.
Where you sell, bro?
Shit in your underpants.
Where you sell? Let's move.
Yo, I alone finish it up yourself in a pampas. You shit in your underpants and feet.
Hey, stop tell like palm. Stop tell like palm.
Shit in your
One more
underpants and
time.
feet, your diaper. Let me get some
Stop tell
spray.
like palm.
Let me get some spray. Help on YouTube.
Put up on YouTube. Put up on YouTube. Put up on YouTube.
Nasty.
Eh? I mean, no, say, I know me.
Alright, sit down, me tell you who. Sit down, me tell you who now. Sit down, me tell you who, Steven. Sit down, me tell you who. Sit down, me tell you. Sit down, me tell you. So make shit up a go answer. Sit down, me tell you now.
What? Where?
Why? First, you see people so guilty and they ask so. I don't guilty people always ask so. Sit down, me tell you.
Guilty for what?
You shit up yourself, dinner.
Guilty for what? You can get sick up in your brain. You sick up in your brain? Who you talk about?
Sit down, me talk and tell you who.
I want to sit down, listen. I want to sit down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Me want to sit down.
Alright, so move your foot now. I might want to shit drop over me up up for. Let me tell you who. So Steven, let me ask you something. Why you do it?
Don't let me disrespect you.
I'm tell you, since the spirits are grave, you will not say you. I'm tell you, really, oh.
My spirit grave, I will not say, oh, shall I tap?
Tackling me now, youth.
Them.
Tackling me now. You think I'm pretty man, youth? Too nasty, man. I'm tell you who really old now. Tell me, say you. I'm tell you who you want to know.
Nobody can tell that.
A prank, tell me. You want to know where we go? Watch the intro and you will see all the story. Hey, Bill.
So
Hey.
so you know, so cause people must they hear what you going on and you load up and I know me. So you do it. So that's right.
I don't make
That's
it.
right.
Bianca did that do.
That means them
They
right.
can't first part of intro. I'm not in an argument with you. What you idiot? You know, when I first me I see shit in your underpants still. This one and then you bought the last one. I'm see how they do. Watch him. Nasty.
What a big old girl to be said.
Anyways, guys, remember to comment Team Shadi. And remember to follow us on
What I come to
IG
Hey, what I come to
at Steven X Shadi and Shadi X Steven. So I'm gonna end off the video.
We come like a pumpkin dad.
And if you enjoy, just tell me the favorite part.
Listen people. Listen people.
And I'm gonna finish watch now. So
she
later, guys, we'll soon get the video.
and she shit up. She shit up. My friend, me see her right round there so.
You get grievance and I see your shit though yesterday chat now. Anyways, guys, see you in my next video. And if you did bad, don't tell me say bad. Alright, peace out.